Take a ride in the 2021 Venza. Toyota Venza blends the attributes of a crossover SUV with those of a wagon. Venza boasts a spacious interior, a powerful and efficient engine, a pleasant driving demeanor, innovative interior storage, and strong crash test scores. You're more than one thing, so is Venza. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.